Now I just want to eat rice like this. Start by cutting 2 hot dog sausages over a large bowl filled with 2 cups of boiled rice. Cut an X in one of the ends of the hot dog, then into smaller pieces, just like this. Next, add 3 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 pinch of black pepper, 4 slices of cooked ham chopped into squares, chives and parsley to taste, 1 ripe tomato chopped into small cubes, 1 medium onion chopped into small cubes, 250 milliliters of milk, and mix until incorporated. Next, add 1½ cups of wheat flour, each cup containing 240 milliliters, and mix until combined. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. This is the right blend. Now, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add 1 drizzle of vegetable oil and spread it using a brush. Pour in the mixture we made. Arrange it evenly on the skillet. Cover it and let it all cook for 10 minutes. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So, click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Then flip it, cover the skillet again, and let it cook for another 10 minutes. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I really hope you liked this recipe. Now, I'll head back to the comments section and will continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city, and I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.